Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to return IKEA online orders. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in ikea.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, your account. And we have on the top, we have the search bar. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. So all of the information. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and return IKEA online orders. So to return an IKEA online order, you can follow these 5 steps. Bring it to the nearest IKEA store with your order confirmation email and a valid photo ID. You can choose to get a refund to the original payment method or a merchandise credit. Then step 2 is to arrange a pickup service by contacting IKEA customer service at 1-888-888-4532. You will need to provide your order number and email address. Then fill out a returned PDF document and ship it to the returns department at your nearest store location. You can choose any barcode service provider, but you'll return shopping fees. Then call the IKEA service team, so at 0203645 and then 0000 to rearrange a free courier return. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.